Types and Rakats of prayers. 7 prayers are divided into the types of Farz, Vacib, Sunnah, and mustahabb. That is, the prayers that every Muslim of sound mind and who has reached puberty must perform 5 times a day at specified times. With specified Rakats Farz. The Friday prayer is part of this category. The Witr and Eid prayers are each a Vacib. A number of prayers performed before or after the Farz prayers, or both before and after, are Sunnah. This is the case with the Tarawih prayer. Other prayers performed solely for Allah's pleasure, called nafl, supererogatory, are either Sunnah or mustahabb, such as the Duha prayer. For all these prayers to be valid, there are certain conditions and pillars. Fulfilling these is also obligatory. These constitute the obligatory parts of the prayers. In addition to these, there are also certain recommended acts, sunnahs, and etiquettes of prayers. There are also certain disliked acts and invalidators of prayers. Every prayer must be free from these. For this reason, every Muslim must know these and perform their religious duties accordingly. 8 regarding the Rakats of prayers. The morning prayer has 2 Sunnah Rakats and 2 obligatory Rakats. The noon prayer has 4 rak'ahs of Sunnah, 4 rak'ahs of Fard, and 2 rak'ahs of Sunnah. The afternoon prayer has 4 rak'ahs of Sunnah and 4 rak'ahs of Fard. The evening prayer consists of 3 obligatory rak'ahs followed by 2 Sunnah rak'ahs. The night prayer consists of 4 initial Sunnah rak'ahs, 4 obligatory rak'ahs, and 2 final Sunnah rak'ahs. The Friday prayer consists of 4 rak'ahs of the first Sunnah, 2 rak'ahs of the obligatory prayer, 4 rak'ahs of the final Sunnah, and 2 rak'ahs of another Sunnah known as the Sunnah of the time. The Witr prayer consists of 3 rak'ahs. Eid prayers are 2 rak'ahs each. The Tarawih prayer is 20 rak'ahs. Other nafil prayers are at least 2 rak'ats each. All these will be explained in order. The obligatory parts, conditions, and pillars of prayers 1-9. There are 12 obligatory parts of prayers. 6 of these are obligations that must be performed before starting prayer, which are 1. Purification from Hadath. 2. Purification from Necaset. 3. SETR-I AVRET. 4. Facing the QIBLA. 5. Time. 6. Intention. The other 6 are obligations that must be present from the beginning of prayer. And they are 1. IFTIHÅB, entering prayer, TEKBIR. 2. QIYAM. 3. KIRAAT. 4. RUKU. 5. Sujud. 6. KAIDE-I AHIRE, final sitting. These are also called the pillars of prayer. They form the essence and basis of prayer. 2. In addition to the 12 obligatory acts mentioned above. In prayer, TADIL-I ERKÄN must be observed, which is obligatory according to Imam Abu Yusuf and 3 other Imams. And leaving the prayer of one's own free will is also obligatory according to Imam Azam. This is called Bisun'iihi equals leaving of one's own will. With these, the pillars of prayer become 8. These will be explained in order.